guys, welcome back to my channel for day 4 of a week in my hair. I want to thank all my online friends who are dedicated to liking and watching my videos. Thank you so much. And if you're just new here, I'm going to put a link right here for all of the other playlists of this series, A Week in My Hair. Right, let's get on because there's much to do. Oh sis, just carry on watching, okay? Okay, so the thing is, right, we've got another problem. Yesterday we thought we had another problem. The day before that we thought we had another problem. But today I got to cut my hair. Cutting my hair, not off. I'm not being dramatic. It's not clickbait, but I'm going to trim my hair because I'm actually trying to look back and see when the last video I did for me trimming my hair. Okay, so according to my videos, it's nearly 9 weeks since I had a trim and I used this here. Now I'm going to link the full video up here because I'm not going to go through this whole video and do another video of me cutting my hair. So I'm just going to show you in part what I'm going to do. But first I'm going to show you what my hair looks like, hey, because my hair's limp and lifeless. I know the last couple of videos you guys have been like, oh, your hair's so voluminous, scrumptious, big and puffy. And kind of like now it looks like my hair is starting to get a little bit limp and I've hardly used any product, nothing. So these are the clues that tell me what my hair is like and what it needs in terms of repairing and restoring, giving it nourishment and helping the health of my hair. Is if it's snagging when I'm brushing my hair or even finger detangling my hair. The ends feel rough when I slide my fingers down to the bottom of my hair. My curls have lost their luster, they look really limp, they're not curling properly. So quite frankly sis, the only thing we can do here is take the ends off. My hair is naturally starting to just flop and look really weighed down. As you can see, my shape is now forming like a cone head. It's not the look I'm going for. That's the shape I'm going for. Want a bit of volume here because we have the 10-finger forehead. Okay, which I believe I am blessed to have. Right, okay, so without further ado, this is not going to be a long video because you're not going to watch all of it. I want you to watch the one I did, you know, I took time to do. Okay, so let's take a look at what the hair looks like now. It's pretty flat, isn't it? Pretty flat. So I'm going to section. What I'm going to do first is separate my fringe. Okay, that will do. Ooh, my fringe looking good. What I'm going to do now is take that part. I don't know if it's straight. I don't care. All right, so we're going to detangle this part and then I'm going to twist it up like this and then we're going to do the other side as well, okay? Okay. Yep. Okay, we are quite detangled. Wonderful, wonderful. Let's twist this up. Clip it and move on to the next. It's not advisable to detangle, finger detangle without anything on your hair, like a detangling spray or some kind of cream or a conditioner or an oil. But I've been doing this for a little while now just to gently detangle my hair dry. If I need to do it for something like this, like trimming my hair, and I don't want to wet my hair because my hair, if I wet my hair now, it's just going to curl up on itself even more. Because when I cut my hair, I need a bit of texture in my hair. I need to see the curl a bit more because I don't want it to be too stretched, because if I cut too much off, we are looking Shirley Temple for the day, okay? I'm just showing you in real time how gentle I really am with my hair when I'm dry detangling it. Okay, down to the creme de la creme. I can't find my scissors. Let me get my scissors. Don't be getting any arts and crafts scissors. You need good, sharp scissors. All those. Oh. Wow, that was close. All right, let's try this. This is so fiddly, but I love how quick it is, and it gives a really good shape. Once you place it, there you go. So that's the amount I'm going to take off, which is quite long still. Because look. I'm not pulling it through, I'm just straightening it up. It's quite long. I don't know I'm going to take that much off. Right, okay, so what I will do is this part keeps breaking away, so it's too short to fit in there. Here we go. Done. Oh, that feels good. I've done the sides. Okay, so I've done the back now. Look, can't you just see that my hair looks a little bit The curls look a little bit more happier, even though it's been detangled, so the curls have been stretched out. It's not hanging so flat now. I've got a bit more volume up here, through the middle section, and at the bottom, so it's all evened out, and it's not so, you know, acorn A-shaped head, you know? Yeah, I've got a bit of a style now. All right, looking good, girl. Right now, the fringe, which isn't a fringe anymore, so I'm just gonna call it the front. I still want that curve so that when it's on the sides, you still have it sort of gently going down. At the moment, it's very blunt, and I don't want that look anymore. I'm gonna tie this back, okay? Has that fallen nicely? The big reveal. So that definitely has done the trick. Look at the volume in this. Towards the back, it's not bad. And this side. Nice. So that sorted out another daily problem that I've had. And also the back, let me show you the back. And I've got to show you the hair that I trimmed off. It was hardly anything. There you go, that's the hair that I've trimmed off. It's hardly anything. Oh, let me just do a side by side. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in to day 4 of a week in my hair. Don't forget to click on to tomorrow's video. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed this kind of content. And of course, if you are thinking if Auntie Susu of Auntie Foloto needs a video like this, please share it with her, please, okay? Okay, I'm going. I'm leaving you now because I believe the stupid has arrived, okay? I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. You take care and God bless you. Bye.